Top 10 Scary Things Discovered by Space Satellites. Upon gazing at the constellations, one may envision a universe that is tranquil, unspoiled, and well organized. However, what if I were to inform you that space satellites have revealed eerie, perplexing, and truly chilling secrets that are concealed beneath our planet? These top 10 discoveries will challenge your preconceived notions about the cosmos and our world, from enigmatic geometric patterns in the desert to phantom islands that vanish into thin air. Strap in as we explore the most perplexing and spooky discoveries that satellite imagery has revealed. Number 10. The Gobi Desert Structure. In late 2011, a peculiar structure was identified in the Gobi Desert of China using Google Maps. The structure appeared to be nothing more than white scribbles in the soil, devoid of any discernible order or pattern. Theories were promptly promulgated by media outlets, with speculations varying from street maps to an alien communication system. Nevertheless, the most plausible explanation is significantly more grounded, at least as grounded as space can be. According to Jonathan Hill, a technician at the Mars Spaceflight Facility, the huge lines are employed to calibrate espionage satellites. The satellites can accurately orient themselves while in orbit by concentrating on the grid and its pattern. Number 9. Sandy Island. We all enjoy a captivating ghost story. Therefore, how about one that involves a phantom island? An island approximately the same size as Manhattan, situated near New Caledonia, has been depicted on nautical charts since the 19th century and has even been depicted as a cloudy black pixel on Google Earth. Nevertheless, in 2012, Australian scientists who were conducting research on plate tectonics traversed the region and determined that the island did not exist. Brawl. Music from the X-Files. It is probable that the island was a gigantic pumice raft that was observed in the late 19th century and that it never existed in the first place. According to Dr. Maria Seaton of the University of Sydney, the Sandy Island fallacy was firmly established during the transition from hard copy charts to digital formats. Number 8. Lips of the Desert. A gigantic pair of lips that appears to be embedded in the desert floor is situated near the village of Arawala in Sudan. The lips are a disquieting image that was discovered on Google Maps. They have inspired a plethora of conspiracy theories, many of which were conceived in jest. While some believe it to be a UFO, a more improbable theory posits that it contains a black hole. According to this theory, as long as the Earth's maw remains closed, we will be protected. Of course, it could also be a distinctive hill formation consisting of a succession of trees and raised sand, but that would be uninteresting. Number 7. Trementina Base. Despite the peculiarity of Scientology, it is evident that they possess a talent for the dramatic. Unique signs were observed in the desert of New Mexico in aerial photographs taken in 2005. The indicators consist of two diamonds that are enclosed by overlapping circles. They appear even more peculiar when observed from satellites. This was designated as the symbol of the Church of Spiritual Technology, the non-profit organization that is the owner of the collective works of Scientology founder L. Ron Hubbard. The Trementina Base, a desert site, is the location where the original Scientology texts are stored. The writings and recordings are purportedly buried within titanium caskets that are concealed within the subterranean vaults of the site. And the symbols. According to John Sweeney, a correspondent for BBC Panorama, they are intended to assist Scientologists who are returning to locate Hubbard's work from space following a future Armageddon. Number 6. Closed Military Base. For this entry, we revisit the deserts of China. Structures near Kashgar were discovered by an ex-CIA analyst, who then reported his discoveries on Wired.com. Speculation immediately escalated, with numerous individuals presuming that the structures were components of a clandestine military installation. However, it has been discovered that it is not a military installation or even a secret. Stefan Geens, a technologist, describes it as an emerging industrial complex that comprises warehouses and factories. In addition to China's explicit declaration of its intention to construct a facility in the area, satellite images reveal an abundance of construction vehicles. Way to dispel our suspicions that this was China's Area 51. Number 5. Shipwreck. The act of viewing a shipwreck on Google Earth is inexplicably disquieting. Perhaps it is the unnatural aspect of it. Observing man-made items in the midst of a stunning reef, the SS Jassim, a Bolivian cargo ferry, was grounded and subsequently capsized in the Wingate Reef of the Red Sea, which is situated to the east of Port Sudan. The image of the massive white ship lying on its side in the center of the blue-green reef was quite startling and peculiarly creepy, as evidenced by satellite images. Regrettably, the ship is now merely a blurry brown blob, and the arresting image is no longer accessible on Google Earth. Number 4. Missile launch sites that have been abandoned. In 1945, Bell Laboratories proposed Project Nike, which involved the installation of anti-aircraft missiles, known as Nike Ajax, at various locations. Although the majority of these missile sites were ultimately abandoned and converted, there is still some evidence of their existence in cities throughout the United States. These include Bay in Anchorage, which has since been supplanted by nature, Lot 43 in White Point Park, HM 69 in Everglades National Park, and C32 in Porter, Indiana, which is currently encircled by a subdivision. Currently, they appear to be little more than desolate parking grounds. However, it is intriguing and slightly unsettling to know what was once housed there. Number 3. Davis-Monthan Air Force Base. Have you ever considered the military's disposition of its decommissioned aircraft? The Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, situated in the southeast region of Tucson, is the location of your answer. The 309th Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group, or the Boneyard, is situated within the base. The U.S. government's out-of-service aircraft and ballistic missiles are stored at this location, which is home to approximately 4,000 military vehicles. Indeed, it is quite a spectacle. The location was selected due to its low humidity, which serves as an inhibitor of corrosion. The Boneyard has been depicted in a variety of contemporary culture pieces, such as the music video for Tom Petty's Learning to Fly. Number 2. The Lake of Blood in Iraq. An enigmatic body of water with a distinctive blood-red hue is situated in the northeast of Baghdad. The origin of the color is unknown, and it is referred to as Lago Vermelho. There have been numerous conspiracy theories proposed, such as the use of blood from a nearby abattoir. However, the most probable explanation is that the water is colored by kelp blooms, salt, or bacteria. It is also possible that the satellite imagery is causing an optical illusion. Despite the fact that the water appears to be crimson on Google Maps and Google Earth, numerous Google reviews indicate that it is not. Some individuals claim that it was cleaned, while others simply state that it is not red without providing any additional information. Number 1. Pentagram. The discovery of a pentagram incised into the ground of a rural Kazakhstani property was met with enthusiasm by conspiracy theorists. The eerie pentagram, situated on the southern shore of the Upper Tobol Reservoir, captivated both conspiracy theorists and Google Earth enthusiasts. It is situated in close proximity to the city of Lysychovsk and is currently accessible via Google Maps under the appellation Lysychovsk Pentagram. The pentagram is merely the outline of a park made in the form of a star, according to Emma Usmanova, an archaeologist who specializes in the region, as stars were a prominent symbol in the Soviet Union, to which Kazakhstan was once a member. I apologize, but there is no demon worshipping permitted in this location. Supposedly, he is a mundane, elderly individual. The universe is far more mysterious than we ever imagined, as we conclude our voyage through the spine-chilling discoveries made by space satellites. These eerie revelations serve as a reminder that our planet is still brimming with secrets. From the enigmatic symbols etched into the deserts to the ghostly remains of shipwrecks and concealed bases, undoubtedly, these discoveries contribute an additional element of intrigue to our comprehension of Earth and beyond, regardless of whether they evoke curiosity or provoke inquiries. Therefore, the next time you examine the night sky or examine a satellite image, bear in mind that there is always more to the story than what is immediately apparent. Maintain your curiosity and remain vigilant. Who knows? The next disquieting discovery may be just around the corner. If you found this content helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more insightful videos and updates, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. We'd love to hear from you.